Welcome, my dear students. I am so happy that you're here. Before you go on, I want to give you a couple tips that could help you learn better from any course online. So, the first tip is set a daily goal for your lectures. All right, if you're too busy, you know, look at the time that you have to learn and set a goal. If you can watch one video a day, two videos, or three videos, write it down and say, you know what, I'm going to watch three videos a day for this amount of days, and I'm going to finish the course in this day. You see, goals are super important because they show you a way, they show you a target. They show you exactly where you're going. You see, sometimes we join courses out there and we don't write our goals, and we take a whole year to finish a course that can be finished in 30 days. All right. So setting a goal is a smart way of actually finishing what you start. So this is my first tip. My second tip is to take action. All right. Take action as you set your goal. Immediately start taking action. Don't wait for next week or in 2 weeks because those times are not gonna come back again to you. In 2 weeks you can watch so many lectures. All right. So why not do it? Just take action already. Stop procrastinating. Second, the third thing is to keep motivated. And when I say keep motivated, I mean remember why you started the course. I know we get involved in our jobs and we are so busy with our personal lives that sometimes we neglect education. We neglect courses like this that will give you skills to help you make more money, to even help you get a job, a better job. So why forget that? Keep it in your mind all the time. This is how you can keep motivated to finish what you start. And lastly, finish it. All right. Now, let's say, for example, you have taken a course and you are 2 weeks from finishing the course. Why not just go ahead and finish it instead of you waiting, all right, for 2 more months to take some more lectures? Just finish it already. Don't wait for it. All right. Time is very precious. But anyway, I hope these tips can help you, like they have helped me over the years, achieve many great, successful adventures that I set myself to. And I would never have done this successful adventures without setting goals. And most importantly, without taking action. And in some of the my depressing times, keeping motivated by thinking about the results that I was going to get when I finish those skills. But anyway, I want to thank you again for being my awesome student. And if you need any help, all right, I'm here for you. Take care, and I see you in the lectures.